Hey guys, and yeah, we're gonna do this in the second video, technically the first in the Python tutorial series. So last video we covered installing our IDE and Python, and this episode we're gonna learn we're gonna do our first code and variables. So yeah, so this is called the shell. This is usually where code executes when you're doing complex projects. But the catch for this is you can run things. You run things by Let me just do this. Run things. If you press enter, it runs. So you can't write complex lines of code. It's only one line of code at a time. So print. So I'm going to tell you the basic commands. So there's uh, print, and then you put it in quotation marks, and then inside of that quotation marks you put whatever you want the computer to say back to you. So I'm going to do print. Oh, yeah, as you can see, it tells you what print is. This print hello world, and this is going to be your first line of code. So you're starting coder now. So you see, yeah. So what you want to do is go to File, New File, and then this thing's gonna open up. This is called the editor, the terminal editor. So this thing, as you can see, if you let me just type print. I usually don't use this because I use an IDE, but hello, hello world. Hello world. If I press enter, it doesn't run because this is what people use for complex lines of code. So as you can see, you can type multiple lines of code. You press F5 on Windows, save, save, and bam. So this is usually what, as I said before, the code runs. But you can also type code in there, but people almost all everyone uses this to run code. So yeah, this is your first code. We're also gonna talk about variables in this one. So variables are sort of containers. They're containers. They contain information. So if this is like a complex, let's just say this is insane, like some kind of token for your password. Let's say this is your password and you want it to print your password. You don't want to, and then you have to print it multiple times. You really don't want to type this again and again. This saves you printing a million times like this. You really don't want to print it like that. So what you want to do this is a very efficient way. So and sometimes you might not know what this means. So you're gonna name it my complex password equal to, and then you're gonna type the password in here. Let me just take this out. Put quotation marks around it, and you go here, delete. Okay, and then we do print my complex password. My complex password. I'm gonna put this in here. And if we run this for 5, it prints our password. This is so much more efficient because you know what this is. Print if it said this, you'd be like, what is that? Because it's a complex password. You do print and then my complex password. Oh, that's what it means. That's what we're printing. It's much more efficient, and yeah, just try to use it as much as you can. Yeah, that's it for this video. The code for all the videos are going to be on my GitHub. I'll leave this link in the description. And join the Discord for some help. I tell you in all the videos. Yeah, that's it. Peace.